to Taste of Change. I'm Dr. Irina Koles. The program is supported by Bazaar Supermarkets. Today, in anticipation of Independence Day, big day for our country, we'll make something that you can take to the picnic. We'll make taco-free taco salad. It sounds funny, but actually taco salad without taco, it's a nice, healthy, fulfilling thing. What we need to skip is taco itself. So instead, we'll use wraps, and they're really, really good in Bazaar West. They made with whole grain flour, no sugar added, no fats, no artificial additions. Very good thing. So we'll make the classical salad. We'll use ground chicken, not beef, chicken, and the greens. We'll put cheese on top, sour cream on top, and we'll wrap it all in these wonderful, healthy wraps. I brought this time chicken, ground chicken, not ground beef. Also, you know, thinking that chicken is lighter, chicken meat is lighter than beef, less fatty, and especially on summer we don't need this fatty, heavy meals. But let me cut a little bit. You see, we have scallions, but we'll use this white part for cooking meat. It will give some flavor. I actually didn't see it in recipes, traditional recipes, but I think meat is always better when it's put on the skillet with olive oil, which already absorbed the onion taste, because oil takes the flavor, and this will then transfer this flavor, will enrich the meat. Do we have more? I am leaving green part for topping, but this can go to give a flavor to our meat and through the olive oil, you see. Okay, at this point, you see it is goldish. It's very good time to add meat. Well, cooking ground meat, it's a little bit challenging always because we don't want it to stick together. So we'll mix it and turn it over and over again. Let's add some salt. The total cooking time is about 3-5 minutes. When meat is almost ready, we need to add spices. Ground cumin, 1 teaspoon. This is half, so 1 teaspoon. And more. Oh, it smells so nice. And 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder. You know, I am afraid. I am not putting so such a big amount. I put less. Maybe someone doesn't like spicy. Well, the meat is done. I'm turning it off. Now I place it. It should cool a little bit, and I place it on the higher one side, on the higher thing, because we don't need this extra liquid. It will be leaking out of our wrap. So I'll put it like this, let this liquid go out. While the meat is cooling, we'll cut other ingredients for our salad. Taco salad is always about lots of greens also. So romaine lettuce, we'll cut big ball of this. You see, we are creatures of habits, and we used to take to the picnic what? Okay, burgers, sausages, meat, it's all good, but usually we take also what? Potatoes, sweet corn, all kinds of maybe beans, etc., etc. I'm not mentioning dessert here at this point. But you see, this time we can change it. And the best part is that it is not about sitting and watching like other people enjoy the food. Absolutely not. This time you'll have it with just a little bit different ingredients. So we are not changing ingredients of the salad. It's all good. It is all absolutely healthy thing. So you don't need to change everything. You change just one thing and you are getting much better results. And for you and for your family, who says that kids will not eat it? Of course they will. The second, we'll cut tomatoes, nice and thin, right? How? Like this. And with years, you develop a new habit. You cannot just delete an old habit, but you can replace it. And this is exactly what we are doing here at Taste of Change. Replacing the habit is not a big deal. Not a big deal. You don't eat this, but you have other things which you probably maybe you've never heard about this. This is what happened to me when I came with this low glycemic index lifestyle. I've never heard about many products, but they're there in our supermarkets, and you can grab them and enjoy them. So you see, everything is possible if you want to participate in this and make your life healthier. Now let's cut green onions. Is it enough? Maybe not. Next, we'll cut some parsley. Well, ideally you need to use cilantro, and if you like, absolutely use cilantro. It's great, it's healthy and wonderful. I just personally don't like it much, so I substituted it for parsley. But it is not because it is required or because parsley has like better qualities or something. No, they are equal. It's just a matter of taste. So, taste of change. Let's cut it. This is Gouda cheese. You can use cheddar or any like hard yellow cheese. As I always do, I grate it by myself to avoid additional ingredients in grated manufactured grated cheese. So it takes, you see, like what, 15 seconds, and you have it all without any additions that we don't want. Now we have everything beautifully cut. We have this amazing bread. I took it out of the bag package. This is how it looks like. This is big, like bake in a pizzeria. Usually it is a layer of greens and then meat on top and cheese and sour cream. Here it will be a little bit challenging with this bread because it is not, so it is, because this is whole grain, it is getting crunchy. So you know what? We'll start like pizza. We'll start with cheese. We'll start with cheese. You are watching Taste of Change. We can do everything we can. Just be a little bit creative. Well, we don't need this part. This will go this way. So, meat. Should be actually not too bad, I think. You see, maybe I need to create a patent for this new way of wrapping taco salad. Taco-free taco salad. With meat will go good. Onion will, oh yes, scallion will go wonderful. Parsley. Tomatoes. Tomatoes will make a difference. They'll help put everything together. I think so. Lettuce. Similar like Subway, a little bit. Subway sandwich, taco-free taco salad, and sour cream. First of all, look how beautiful it is. We are going more. You see, and more. Well, we have cheese on the bottom and sour cream at the top, so it should be good. So this is our final result, and the meal for 4th of July picnic or any other picnic. The summer is pretty long and you will go out and you will cook food, and this is convenient food to make with just a little change, that you are not using traditional tacos full of white flour, and maybe sugar and maybe cornstarch, but you use whole grain these wraps. Yes, you can make it differently. You can just serve the salad and place this bread aside. It is also the option. Well, we made it like this today. I wish you happy and healthy summer. Happy 4th of July. You can find more videos on 4th of July, actually meals. You can find on weightdestiny.com and watch more videos on ActonTV.art.